Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drag racing, one of the most thrilling motorsports around. Whether you've seen it in action or just heard of it, drag racing has captured the imagination of many and is an essential part of motorsport culture. Let's explore what makes it so exciting, its history, and how it continues to evolve today. Drag racing is a type of racing where two vehicles compete against each other on a straight track, with the goal of covering a set distance, usually 1/4 mile or 1/8 mile, as quickly as possible. The race is all about acceleration, power, and precision. In most cases, the vehicles line up side by side at the start, and once the green light flashes, they race to the finish line. It's a test of pure speed, power, and reaction time. The origins of drag racing can be traced back to the streets of California in the 1930s. Young car enthusiasts would race their vehicles on public roads, and over time, they began organizing more formal races. By the late 1940s and early 1950s, drag racing had become a major part of American car culture, and the first drag racing events were held at dedicated tracks. The sport's popularity grew rapidly, especially in the 1960s, when drag racing became an organized and professional sport with the creation of the National Hot Rod Association, or NHRA. This helped set the standard for events, safety, and rules, pushing the sport to new levels of visibility. Drag racing has various classes, allowing for a wide range of vehicles, from production cars to specialized purpose-built machines. There are different categories, including, this is the fastest category, featuring dragsters that can reach speeds over 330 miles per hour. These cars are powered by highly specialized engines capable of producing enormous amounts of horsepower. Similar to Top Fuel, funny cars are also incredibly fast but differ in their body shape, which is more akin to a stock car. These cars are typically shorter and have a body that is made from lightweight fiberglass. These are cars that look more like your everyday vehicles but are heavily modified for racing. They often feature high-performance engines and require precise tuning. These classes allow amateur racers to compete in vehicles that are not as heavily modified. These include both car and motorcycle divisions, and they focus on competition based on skill and strategy rather than just sheer power. What makes drag racing so fascinating is the technology that goes into the cars. From the engines to the aerodynamics and the tires, every aspect of the vehicle is optimized for speed. In fact, the acceleration in drag racing is one of the most extreme in all of motorsports. In top-tier categories, a car can accelerate from 0 to 100 miles per hour in less than a second. It's truly mind-boggling. Additionally, drag racing innovations often trickle down to consumer vehicles. Things like high-performance tires, improved safety systems, and even engine technologies have been influenced by the needs of drag racers. Drag racing continues to be a highly popular motorsport around the world. The NHRA is one of the largest sanctioning bodies for the sport, hosting events across the US and attracting millions of fans. Beyond the United States, countries like Australia, the UK, and Japan also have vibrant drag racing communities, with local and international events drawing big crowds. Moreover, drag racing is not only about the vehicles and races, but also about the culture that surrounds it. Fans come to cheer on their favorite drivers, and the atmosphere at these events is electric. From car enthusiasts to casual spectators, the sport continues to captivate audiences with its raw energy and spectacle. So, whether you're a longtime fan or someone new to the sport, drag racing offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of high-speed competition, cutting-edge technology, and adrenaline-pumping excitement. It's a sport that continues to evolve and captivate car lovers and racers around the world. Thank you for joining me on this quick journey through the history and excitement of drag racing. I hope you gained a greater appreciation for the sport, and who knows, you might just be inspired to watch a race or even try it yourself one day.